Hey planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another video. Today's video is my Simply Gilded subscription box for May. It's called Tropical Luxe. So if you guys want to see an unboxing, then keep on watching. Alrighty, welcome back friends. Thanks for stopping by in another video. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I have noticed I have so many new subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope that these videos bring you a lot of inspiration to your planning. This is Simply Gilded. It's a planner subscription, and this is the May box. Oh my goodness. This is called Tropical Luxe. I am so excited. I think this might be everyone's favorite by far of 2021. I do have a link down below if you guys want to check that out. If you're new to Simply Gilded, thank you to those who have used my link. I appreciate it. So let's dig into this box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Now, this is the box. Of course, if you guys have been watching my Simply Gilded unboxing since the beginning of this year, I've been getting the add-on, and I recently just took off the add-on because my box with shipping and everything was like around 50 bucks, and I wasn't using the smaller ones as much. I haven't used the add-on, even though it's really pretty washy. I have some here from previous subscriptions. It's 5mm, but I really wish I would have kept it. I may get it later. I'm gonna kind of show you guys a photo of it here on Instagram, but it's this top stack here, the smaller one. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It has like those tropical leaves, but one of them has like a pink backing. Super pretty. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. I just love the packaging. She just does really great design. She has like dolphins on the back of here and like a boat sailing. This is so pretty. Okay, so again, this is called Tropical Luxe, and it is the May box. Here's the info card that tells you everything that you get inside the box. So we have foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kits and seal, B6 quilted luxe notebook cover, which everybody was excited about that, B6 stitch binding notebook, a gel ink pen, heart-shaped sticky notes, acetate and vellum sheets, and then the mystery item, which I will save last if I can figure out which one it is. Okay, so I'm going to take everything off to the side and share what we got. So the first thing is foiled journaling card. Okay, so here's the foiled journaling card. It is really pretty, and it is definitely foiled. Really pretty. It's kind of like the back of the box, but the dolphins are pink and not blue. And the sailboats are still kind of pink. That's really pretty. So we get that, which you can put in your planner. You could use it as a bookmark. You can punch it in. You could put a memory portion on the back, or you can make it into a washi card, the washi that you get in the box. I've seen planners do that. Super cute. Okay, next is designer washi tape, and I think I found the mystery item, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. But all the washi comes in these pre-sealed packages, so you can totally reuse these because these are super cute. So these would be cute for traveling. I mean, I love traveling and I love packing, so this is gonna come in handy. So again, here's the bag without everything out of it. It's so pretty. I love it. And she has Simply Gilded here. It's just black on the back. So I'll definitely keep that. Here's the pen. I'll share the pen in a minute, but here's the washi stack. I think you get more washi in this one. I don't know, it seems like a lot more. So if I had the add-on, it would have been a huge stack. But this one actually comes with the watermelon, and it has the background on the back of the box and the journaling card. I will roll these out for you guys and share a swatch towards the end of the video, but super cute. Very summer vibes, very tropical luxe vibes. It looks like one of them is perforated. Nice. I'm still happy with the washi that I have. All right, so that's the washi. Next up is the Deluxe sticker kit and seals. Okay, so you get your icon stickers, which are here, and they have like that tropical background, and they are hearts, and they're gold foiling. Then you get the dates with this pretty green with gold foiling. Then you get 3 sheets of like weekly decorative stickers and icons, and then you get the bow seals. And everything's in gold foiling. So here's this one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love the little suitcase, the little watermelon. Very pretty. And here's the larger one. You get the days of the week, this awesome background. Everything's in gold foiling again. I just love how it shines in the light. Then you have this coconut, all these decos here, and then the checklist, and then your headers here. And then this one's a little different. This one you have white, which is nice because you can see it. And then more little icon stickers, and then some little washi strips, some flags. Oh, these are really pretty. Wow. These are so nice. I'm always a planner. If you guys watch me and my channel, I always talk about using the right stickers for the right project. I know I'm crazy, but these are so nice. I don't know. Definitely great for a little vacay memory spread too. Okay, so those are the stickers you get, the deluxe kit, and then these seal bows, which are very gorgeous. They're just so gorgeous. I love this one with the pink and green. Pink and green is so pretty together. So those are the stickers you get, which you get a lot of stickers. Totally a goal of mine is to use more Simply Gilded. So this does come packaged nicely, so I just wanted to share that. And it does have like this protective seal over the gold hardware here. Wow, this is very luxe, and it's quilted, and it has still the scallops here. If you guys are familiar with Simply Gilded, she always does specialty things like this for the subscription boxes. I'm not sure if this box is still available, but definitely check it out as soon as you can. If not, I know she always announces updates on things that are left that you can now purchase, separate things from the subscription box if she has it available. But oh my goodness. So this one is a snap closure. And when you open it up, it's kind of divided into 2 parts. So you have this area to stick in notebooks, journaling notebooks. You have this little side pocket here, and it's got embossed here, Simply Gilded. You have another flat pocket here. And I think this you can only put in 2 books, I think. Then you get this nice pin loop here. Now let's see if this holds a mini happy planner, because that's what I use mainly is happy planner. I can stick journaling books in here. I just set up a video. If you guys check this out, this is my summer one. This is my Plan Anything subscription. It's kind of the same concept, but it fits a mini happy planner. So this one doesn't have a side pocket, but let's see if it'll just still close nicely. It's a stretch. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think the discs get in the way. And I wouldn't want to force anything because it's not really meant for a happy planner, but it's up to you. It seems like there's space. You definitely have to push it a little bit over to snap it. But I don't know, I don't think I would use it for a happy planner. So I opened up the B6 notebook and it has that pretty dark green with the palms and it's gold foiling. But the surprise in this one is it is a bullet journal insert, but it's blacked out, which is so nice. I think this is a nice fun touch, something different. And so the mystery item, I'm kind of giving it away, but it kind of goes with this. So super cool. But these go in here much better. I mean, I'm sure there are some other planner journals to put in here as well. So you could probably put a small one and a larger one in here and just stack it. And that would be super pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, the next thing you get is, this is a little hard to press down. Mine came a little wonky here, so I may have to like put something in there to let it fill out. So it'll, because it was just smushed in the box, but it's okay. Just need to put something there so it'll fill it out. It does come with a D-ring as well. All right, the next thing is the engraved gel ink pen. I love her pens. I cannot rave enough about her pens. If anything you get from Simply Gilded, definitely try out one of her pens because they're awesome. So this one is the dark green color, but it does have like some sparkle in it, and it has the gold hardware with this pretty, is this called like a fawn palm leaf or something like that? It is embossed with her logo here, and there is a bow up at the top. And it does have a cap, and it has like the little protective cap there so it doesn't leak on you, but so pretty. I have a couple of these so far, and I love the pen. Okay, the next thing is the sticky notes heart shape. So you get black and white, which also the mystery item will look really cute with this because it's like this pure matte black. It's different from the, I don't know if I have any here on my desk, but we have been getting sticky notes. Oh, here we go, here's one. So I have one here. So these are like translucent, they're kind of really see-through. These are like matte. Well, maybe the white one's different. No, it's paper. It's paper matte sticky notes. That's really cute. Everything matches so nicely. So the next thing is the acetate and vellum sheets. Okay. Oh, wow. This is so nice. So this is the vellum sheet that you get to go in your notebook. And then this is the clear acetate. And it is gold foiling with a little bit of texture. I was thinking you could turn it inside out and use the silver and have it like this. You could totally do this, and that way you have like a double of gold and silver. That would be pretty. But you always get these vellum sheets and acetate for your notebook. I definitely need to set one up so I can share with you guys on how to use this. Maybe I'll do that for the summer, maybe in July, and then add it to this cute little cover. And now I'm going to share with you guys the mystery item, and then I'll do the swatch of the washi. Okay, so the mystery item is you guessed it, a white jelly roll pen. These are really great. Actually, I need a new one. I don't think my white one that I have now is working, so this is perfect. But these work really well on blackout paper. So this would be a cute little sticky note set. And then for the journal, I think it's gonna be really pretty. Yeah. So that's what the mystery item is. And these are really great for fixing mistakes in the planner world. Super popular planner tool to have with you. So I'm excited about having one of these. All right, so let me open up the washi so I can share a swatch. Here's the washi out of its packaging. It is really pretty, and it is so pretty and luxe, and the black is just so sleek with the gold foiling. And I love that this one, I do have one with the pink background because I think the pink and the green fawn leaves are really pretty. This one actually has little stars speckled around the washi. I just love this collection. It is so pretty. I can't stop staring at it. Okay, let me share the swatches on paper. So this is a little mini micro that I've tried to swatch out some of the washi before. And you can see how black and opaque and so sleek this is. It's just really pretty, and I love the seam detail. Those are probably my favorite that she does. And then the pretty watermelon, you can actually see the pink rind on the watermelon, or the fruit part. This one has the stars, and it's just so pretty with the gold foiling. So super cute. That is everything that comes in this Tropical Luxe box, which I'm totally gonna keep this box. It's so pretty. So you get the washi, and she does have other options. I'm waiting to see what comes out in June and July, and then I may stop continuing my subscription box. It just depends, because I really was wanting to try this out up until the summertime, and that way I can take more advantage of like the washi releases and the pre-sale, and she has just other great bundles and things, and I can always buy from this subscription kit now that she has things available, if they're available in her shop. And then also she has other options. So she does have two other options where I think it's just the washi and stickers or something like that. I forget which it is, but because I totally love the washi. It's my favorite because I like how she coordinates the whole set. But this is totally luxe and totally worth it. This one's probably my favorite so far. I think I really like the March box. So January, March, and May have been my favorite. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning.